All right, welcome back. What I've got here is a piece of ambrosia maple. I got a buddy of mine. His daughter wants, um, she wants a pink and black dye up, but I don't know if I'll be able to get the pink in this like I want. Being the wood bowl finish is an ambering color, so even if I went light red with a for a pinkish hue and went over the top of that with an ambering finish, it would lean on the orange hue of the color. So I'm gonna try to do what I can do. I'm taking the rim of it down just to get it nice and flush. Any low spots, I was taking it down little by little just to leave as much as I could on the top, checking it, cutting it down, checking it, cutting it down. Um, Once I finally got it down, you can see right there where it's pretty punky. I already had soaked it down with CA glue on the bottom just to give the tailstock something good to hold on to until I could get it rounded out. And now I'm going and getting everything flushed up and trying to get through all that punky mess just to get to some hard wood. Um, this wood actually came from a guy that cuts down trees. He said the maple was like 200 years old. The log he gave me, it was ambrosia maple, but the bottom of it, I mean, it was 3 feet wide, but the bottom of it was so cracked up and split. I don't know if it was from where they felled it or what happened, but it was just unusable. And then the other half of it, of course, was so punky. So I just had to cut out chunks of what I could use from it. This is keda dye. It's the black. The ones that I've been using, I got in powdered form, but you can actually get them in liquid form from their website that I recently found out. I've got another video up on how to do this with full explanation. I'll post it up top. That way you'll have a better idea of how to do this and how it works with the wood grain. So my lathe has a reverse switch, and this is the one time Terry should not have put it in reverse. The pulley on here is not pinned, so when I flipped it into reverse, it spun it off the motor. is, final product. Like I said in the text earlier, I did the inside also, but due to time, I didn't do it or didn't post it. But doing that finish, you can get 2 coats in a day if you do one in the morning and then one in the evening, as long as you get about 12 hours in between. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. It's not colors that I normally would have used. See ya.